for today's episode, it is about cleaning my syngonium plants, and at the same time I have to cut the stem of the tall syngonium for propagation. So as we can see in the video, I'm here in the small room. This is the small room located in the front of my apartment, and in this room, this has no window, so there's no sunlight that will coming into this room. But what I'm using was the different lights. There is I think that was three grow lights, and the rest are just regular LED lights. So as you can see, this is the plant I took from that room. I brought it here in the living room, and as you can see, the bottom of the plants are not in good condition. Most of them have died. Well, there were 4 different varieties in here, 4 or 5, but 2 I think died. So it's there. Before I put this in that front area, this plant were placed when we moved in this new apartment. This plant were placed on area or spot where there's less lights, so therefore it comes to like this. But when I move into that area, as you can see, the new growth have a nice variegation, but most of them have green, because the variegation of the plants varies. It depends on the lights that they receive. So ito na yung kinat ko. Iwan ko kung nasan yung nawala yung video ko kung paano ko siya kinat, kung saan ko siya kinat, nawala. Hindi ko alam kung nasan. Okay, pero siguro sa susunod na ayan, ay ito pala, nahuli pala siya, nauna yung ay, pasensya na, hindi marunong sa pag-i-edit, kaya ganun. So ito na siya. So ito yung pagkakat ko. Ayan, sa pinakadulo, kinat ko siya para naman makaproduce tayo ng bagong plant, at saka para din ma-level up dito sa mga maliliit pa. Sayang naman kasi kapag yung isa mataas, tapos yung iba naman is hindi, is natatabunan sila. Hindi, yung mga maliliit hindi na ano ba yung tawag dito, hindi na anuhan ng light, yung direct light, kasi natatabunan ng ibang dahon. Kaya ito yung solusyon, ito yung alam kong solusyon na gagawin dito sa mahabang stem ng syngonium plant. So ayan, i-propagate ko na siya. Most of my propagation method that I'm using is through water propagation. Hindi ko isa-isahin yung pagkakat through nodes, kasi yung ibang leaves ay green. Gusto ko yung may kasama silang white variegation. So titingnan ko muna kung tutubo sila at magkaroon sila ng more propagation, more variegation. Kaya, ayan. Pasensya na. Oh, ayan. Ito na siya. Ay, nabalik na naman. Ano ba naman to? Hindi naman ito nag-sequence. Lala. Thank you for watching. Ayan na siya.